Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about Outfitters99 store. It's real or fake. As you can see here, just now I was researching about this product and several days away it was, this product was available on Amazon, but now it has completely vanished. I don't know what's the reason, but they have completely removed the listing as well as the images and everything. Right, so this is a problem here. I will just give you other proofs too. The website does not provide detailed information about its business operations, such as physical address, contact information, and there's a lot of things, right? Now here, this is one of these things. There's only an email address provided for customer inquiries, which may hinder effective communication and support users who encounter issues, right? Data indicates that this website experienced low traffic, right? The listing is pretty good, but there's a completely low traffic. And here, as you can see here, this is a website. Okay, and this is another website. We have mentioned that this website is a completely a scam. The trust score of this website is one that is, I don't think that some website even have one score. The refund policy, there's a not a brand website, it's just a store made on Shopify. Most of the time, customers cannot get the money back after placing an order. No phone number, nothing. There's a quality issues and so much issues, right? So it's completely up to you that you want to waste your money. You can purchase a product from them. You can give an order. And if you found this video worthy, then make sure to like this video, subscribe.